Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a thumbnail using AI. So you're going to just go to ChatGPT first and you're going to insert like a thumbnail that you want your thumbnail to look similar to and type in, give me the exact prompt of this image, give it exactly as it is. Then it's going to give this prompt here and you're going to go to ideogram and you're going to paste your prompt and you're going to see 4 pictures, as you can see. You're going to save that picture by pressing download here. Then you're going to want to scroll down. You're going to go to ChatGPT again and you're going to insert that thumbnail and a picture of your face. That's not what I look like. This is just a stock image, but type in the first image from the face with the face from the second image and be careful. You often generate it wrong, but this time don't make a mistake, just do the face swap. And here is the result. It doesn't look super similar, but I think it's because of the facial expression that it's emitting right now. But that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, I pre-generated this, so I wouldn't have to edit and take a long time for you guys to wait for it to actually to generate. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!